Fitting our MCCrusie electric servo kit to the Kawasaki Versys 300 should be fairly easy, I think. The right hand panel has to come off, we think, to get to the rear brake switch, possibly a coil as well. The seat comes off first, and if we go around here, we're going to take the same panel off on the left side, and they're pretty straightforward. I'll take some still photos and tell you exactly where the connectors are and how to get them off in due course. So that side panel under the seat and through to under the tank, and this front one will be removed. Remove the seat. There are 2 bolts here and here. The rest of the attachments are rubber plugs. Remove the right side panel. Here are the plugs. Most of them are straightforward and they all pull out in the same direction, but the front bottom one is a bit tricky because you can't see it. So that one there, make sure you don't break that off. Gently ease the panel away until the plastic inner pops out of the rubber bung. The front right panel's pretty easy too, only 2 bolts, that one that's sort of middle of screen on the top. This one's a bit trickier because it's buried in here and hard to find. I'll try and focus on it, but that's where it is, right in the centre of screen. Remember which bolt goes where because they're different. Now there are 4, I think, little plastic plugs on the inner part of the fairing down here. So you can see one of them is there. They're hard to photograph because of the light. Another one there, and there's another one up higher, maybe 2. No, there are only 3. Now with these you get a small hex key or something and just push the centre and it clicks, and then you can ease the whole button out. There are also rubber bung clips along this length of panel. Once the clips are out, there's a rubber bung clip behind this point, and this lifts up so that the flange of the metal on the tank comes away, well, the panel comes away from the flange on the metal tank. Once all the rubber bung clips are undone, then the panel can lift up and pop that metal out of the plastic. Be careful of this rubber bung on the tank because mine, the rubber grommet, has been pushed through and it was difficult to get off without breaking the plastic tab, which is there. Okay? You can see that's pretty severely distorted, but I put that distortion on the inside and it should be fine. From the outside it looks okay when the button goes through again. Repeat the procedure on the left hand side for that panel and the top panel with the writing on it.